Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar this side and welcome back to Chemistry Universe. This is the third video on the aldehyde and ketone series. And in this one, we will talk about physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So let's get the ball rolling and with the video number 3, that is physical properties. Only formaldehyde is a colorless gas, while other aldehydes up to 12 carbons are colorless liquids and the higher ones are solids. So I'll just show you an image. This is formaldehyde gas. And this is on the right, you see cinnamaldehyde, that is less than 12 carbon atoms, and that is a liquid. And C18 aldehyde on the left, you can see, is a solid. Next is ketones containing 3 to 11 carbon atoms are colorless liquids at room temperature, while higher ketones are solids. So I'll just show you this. Between 3 to 11 are liquids on the left, and on the right you notice this is a ketone that is around C14, which is a solid. Now lower aldehydes give unpleasant smell, while higher aldehydes and all ketones have pleasant smell. C1 to C3, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde and acetone are freely soluble in water due to polarity of the C double bond O bond, which can form hydrogen bond with water. And the solution of formaldehyde, we also call it as formalin, and here is an image of that. This formalin, formaldehyde solution in water. Now C5 and higher aldehydes are insoluble in water due to increase in the hydrophobic part. So basically what happens is if you have C5 onwards, as you increase the hydrocarbon part, as it happened even in alcohols, you will notice that the solubility will keep decreasing because the hydrophobic part is increasing, while the hydrophilic part, which is the CO bond, is just the same. Now the boiling point of the liquid aldehydes, as can be expected, alcohols will have the highest, and then you have carbonyl compounds and then alkanes. Of course, alcohols will be lower than carboxylic acids, but in this category of alcohol and carbonyl compounds and alkanes, carbonyl compounds are in between alcohol and alkane because alcohols can form hydrogen bond much better because they have a O and a H. And for a particular carbonyl compound, the solubility in water is inversely related to molecular mass, even though it should be directly related to molecular mass due to van der Waals forces. But the problem is it is the solubility that we're talking about. Solubility in water is inversely proportional to molecular mass because it is basically increasing the hydrophobic part. Now, density of carbonyl compounds is lower than water, so they float on water if they don't dissolve. And formaldehyde, as I said, is a gas, and its boiling point is minus 21 degrees Celsius, and is normally used either as an aqueous solution formalin, as I told you, which is 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, or as its solid polymer, which is paraformaldehyde or trioxane. So there are two polymers of formaldehyde. This is paraformaldehyde and this is trioxane. And I'll show you how they look like. Well, this is paraformaldehyde. It's solid, white solid. And this one is trioxane, also a white crystalline solid. Now, acetaldehyde, which has a boiling point of 20 degrees Celsius, is generated from its higher boiling trimer by heating it with acid. And the trimer of acetaldehyde is similar to trioxane. It's called paraldehyde. And this, on heating with H plus and heating it, will give you acetaldehyde. And paraldehyde looks something like this. It's a liquid. And we use paraldehyde injections also, as you can see on the right. That's an injection ampule. And what is it used for? Well, paraldehyde is used to treat certain convulsive disorders It also has been used in the treatment of alcoholism and in the treatment of nervous and mental conditions to calm and relax patients who are nervous or tense, and it is used to produce sleep. And that is the end of this small video on physical properties. I wanted to keep everything very specific and very uh, clear on all of these videos. So, which is why I'm making this very small video, very important video though, on physical properties. And you have to remember most of the stuff that I've talked about here. So, with that, this is Kalyan Kumar signing off, and see you in the next one. And that will be the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones.